Welcome to Deepak's kitchen, where every recipe is a celebration of tradition and taste. In just a few moments, you will discover how to make peanut rice or Shenga Chitranna. A dish so flavorful, it's not just a meal, but a festival favorite and a perfect prasadam offering to your special occasions. Imagine the crunch of roasted peanuts, the zing of tamarind, and the burst of South Indian spices come together to create the magic in a very bite. Whether you are preparing a festival looking for a wholesome lunchbox treat or craving a comforting homemade delight, this recipe promises you to become your go-to comfort food. Stay with us because this peanut rice will win your heart from the very first spoonful, guaranteed. So without much wait, let's see how this beautiful recipe is done. And now let's see what are the ingredients required to make this recipe. And for that we require badgi chilies and dry coconut half cup, peanuts half cup, and dhania 1 tablespoon, jeera, that's cumin, and some black sesame. This is meethi seeds half teaspoon. And let's see what are the ingredients required for the tempering. For this I'm required some green chilies, chopped coriander leaves, curry leaves, lemon juice, mustard seeds, urad dal half teaspoon, gram dal half teaspoon, peanuts 1 tablespoon, and tamarind 2 pinches, salt as to taste, and this is asafoetida hing, oil 3 tablespoons peanut oil, and 1 cup of boiled rice. Now let's see how to make this recipe. Here I have taken a pan and allow this to heat. First thing what I need to do is we need to dry roast the peanuts to a crispy texture. That's very important. So I'll add a cup of peanuts and we'll start dry roasting it, and it's very important you do that in a low heat. It will take you around 3 to 4 minutes to get it completely done. Look here, the peanuts are perfectly roasted. It should be like this, so perfect. So let's take this out in a plate, allow this to cool. I'm taking this out in this plate and allow this to cool, and we'll keep it aside. In the same pan I'll add some jeera, that's cumin, and the methi seeds, the fenugreek seeds, just a pinch of it, and dhania, that's the coriander seeds, nearly a tablespoon of it. At this time we'll add the black sesame seeds. That too gives a very beautiful flavor to the recipe, and we need to dry roast everything in a low to medium flame itself, and this will also take anywhere between 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. That's very important. Never cook this in a high flame. Now we'll add the dry chilies. That's I'm taking the badgi version of it, which gives a good color, and we'll add some dry coconut, nearly 1 cup of it. So you can adjust the quantity according to your taste, and we'll dry roast them, and this will also take anywhere between 3 to 4 minutes. When it's known that when it's done is the chili should be crispy. So then everything is done, we'll take this out in the same plate, allow this mixture to cool, and then we'll make a coarse powder of it, and we'll keep that aside also. Here you go, the powder should be like this. It's not too fine, not too coarse, it's in a medium thing. Now this masala powder is perfectly done. Let's make the special tempering for this. In the same pan what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the oil, nearly 3 tablespoons of it. If it's better if you can use the peanut oil, the taste will be amazing. So I'm adding 3 tablespoons of peanut oil, allow this to heat. After that I'm going to add the peanuts, just a tablespoon of peanuts to this, and allow it to cook and make it crispy. After that we'll add some gram dal, the urad dal, and we'll add some mustard seeds, and allow the mustard seeds to crackle, and make sure all the chana dal and the urad dal are perfectly golden brown and crispy. So after that only you need to add the chilies, and you can always adjust the heat according to your taste. After that we'll add some curry leaves, and then give it a nice mix, and allow this to cook for about 1 or 2 minutes or so. Look, everything seems to be perfect. At this time we'll add the asafoetida or the hing. This is very important. And then we'll add some turmeric powder, so which gives a beautiful color to the recipe. So now mix it well. This is perfectly done, and we need to add the secret masala powder which we had made earlier, the Shenga powder. Now we'll add as much as it required. Nearly I have taken nearly 4 tablespoons of this powder to this, and we need to cook this on a medium flame for about 1 minute or so. So cook this on a high flame and make sure all the flavors are getting perfectly cooked, and you can see a beautiful aroma arising. Now this itself is the masala waggarne, so what we call it in our Kannada. Now the waggarne is ready. Now let's see how to make this into a Shenga Chitranna. Here you can see I have cooked the rice perfectly using a strain method. So that's very important. Never cook this rice in a pressure cooker. Always cook that in a separate vessel in a draining method. Then we will get this fluffy rice. For this we'll add salt as required, and the lemon juice. I've taken nearly one whole lemon juice. To this we'll add some chopped coriander leaves and give it a nice mix. So always use your soft hands to mix this. Perfect. At this time we'll add all the tampering which we have made. Just look at the color and give it a nice mix. Make sure you mix the rice and this tampering so good that each and every grain of the rice is coated with this beautiful aromatic masala. And just like that, your kitchen holds the soulful aroma of this authentic and traditional peanut rice, a dish that is as perfect for festival and prasadam as it is for everyday joy. If this recipe brought warmth and flavor to your day, please like, share and subscribe to our Deepak's Kitchen for more mouth-watering South Indian recipes. I would love to hear your festival prasadam stories or secret twists. Share them in the comment section down below, and keep coming back for more such yummy recipes that celebrate tradition and nourish the soul. Until next time, Deepak signing off on Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.